Problem number 7 says Sam's Club may sell a giant box of goldfish at an ever cheaper cost per ounce than the big box of goldfish. Determine the box size in ounces and a cost that has a lower price per ounce than the big box of goldfish. Give the total ounces of goldfish in the box, the cost of the box, the price per ounce of the box, and finally describe how the cost per ounce graph of this product would look compared to the other 3 graphs. There's a lot of pieces to this problem, so let's break it down a little bit. It explains to you that Sam's Club may sell a giant box of goldfish at a cheaper cost than even our big box, which we think is the most cheap way to buy goldfish. So first we want to determine the box size in ounces and a cost that has a lower price per ounce than the big box of goldfish. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and think to yourself, what could a box of goldfish cost? So I'm going to search large box of goldfish. On the internet and think about how big a box of goldfish can I really buy? Wow, there's a 66-ounce box of goldfish on Amazon, so let's look at that. It's the mega size, and it says the Pepperidge Farm goldfish crackers are 66 ounces, and the price is about $20. So let's take that information with us. And that way we can throw it right into our document to work with. So I know that I could buy a 66-ounce box of goldfish for $19.49. 66 ounces would be $19.49. Wow, so I know that this really exists. Am I getting more ounces for a cheaper price? Well, I need to find the unit price to make that work, right? Just like we did on the first 3 examples. So I need to know if I'm paying for 60 ounces and I want to know what 1 ounce is. I need to divide by my denominator. I need to divide by 60 ounces. So 60 divided by 60 is 1. So for 1 ounce, how much does it cost? Well, $19.49 divided by 60 ounces equals about 32 cents per ounce. Now, this particular box is not cheaper than the big box that we have already been working with, right? Because that box was 23 cents per ounce. So this particular example is not going to work for us. We need to go back and do a little more research. Maybe if we can find a different price for that large box, that would help us out. Or this box in particular is 30 ounces. Let's see how much it costs. This is a piece of the problem that you could do independently. You can explore different size boxes of goldfish and figure out the unit rate so that you know whether or not it's a better value than the big box that we already know about. So once you know that, you're going to find the total ounces and the cost of the box and the price per ounce. Those are the 3 things we already spoke about. Finally, you're going to describe how the cost per ounce would graph for this product. So if you thought about maybe that 750 ounces, you could figure out where that graph would be on the coordinate graph that we already posted. It would be helpful for you to graph that line, though it doesn't ask you to do so. It just asks you to think about it and describe. So that would be up to you.